As part of the sketches, drawings and model sections, pupils will develop on their tech capability and literacy through the inclusion of cross-curricular links between art, technical graphics, and other subjects that include graphical senses and realization of spatial awareness. As part of this, as can be seen here, pupils will develop on the previous stages. They'll develop on their understanding based off their analysis of the brief. They will then develop upon their investigation and research of this analysis. So they will now have a better understanding of and comprehension of what is actually requested of them and what is already out there in relation to this system. Ideas and impressions, they have constructed a number of ideas regardless of how elaborate they may be or how simplistic they may be in the developmental stages of the project. As part of this now, the sketches gives the pupils an ability to actually view what is available to them and how they can actually use this. Seen here is a crude sketch of an aspect that the pupils will probably take in relation to sending out the eyes in relation to when the lever on the side goes down. This is maybe a design process, as can be seen here, with two slide mechanisms to allow two simple plates to come up and down on a cam lock mechanism to open up the actual holes for the eyes. Can be seen here is also like a linkage system, the same as if we were to put a pin through each of these plates here and drive a simple rack and pinion up and down the two sides, so we could take it from a happy face to a sad face. What we're looking at here then is when the pupil actually develops deeper into this process, that they actually become into their measurements, they start to get into the finalized drawings of it. So they've moved from the ideas to the sketches to now the finalized drawing and coming up with completed measurements, and maybe including different aspects like eyelids instead of just a normal sliding mechanism. This will develop then into their SolidWorks model, as you can see here, in the form of the completed toaster. So if we look in from the front view here, how they have developed using their tech capability and literacy and developing upon it to use the core elements of the subject. So this would fall under the information and communication technology, as they're going to be communicating their idea both on a personal level and a social level to get their opinion of their project and interpretation of the brief across. So this is in the developmental stages that pupils have come up with the simple sliding mechanism here, so that the eyelids are actually in the form of a shutter mechanism, and that the eyes will come in and out on a mechanism still to be designed. This will develop on the tech capability and literacy of the pupils through the usage of the software, through the development of the steps so far, and the cross-curricular links that have been created.